Hey folks, Mark and Jimmy here, RC Aviation and Crawling. This is part one of my Eflite RV-7 rebuild from the ground up, brand new. Yep, and so I've been working on the fuse today. I've installed the horizontal stabilizer connecting rod there. I think you can see that. There, you can see it now. Okay, I've installed that. And the tail wheel comes installed. Cool. I do not have my horizontal stabilizer yet. I have ordered it. There's my rudder. Don't get the shadow off things there. There's my rudder linkage there. And the control arm. Okay. And as you can see, the fuselage does not come with the decals. So I had to order a set of decals. Now here's what we got going on here. We've got everything installed in here. We've got the motor installed. These are all the parts from the these are all the parts from the crashed RV-7. So we've got our original finger. There we go. We've got our original prop spinner reinstalled, and the prop adapter, and the motor. Motor's installed on the motor mount. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. We're waiting on the cowling. Cowling that goes here. There we go. The cowling that goes here is back ordered at Horizon Hobby. Everything else I'm getting from them soon. Okay, so the cowling's back ordered. Everything else I'm getting from Eflite soon. That includes a new canopy that'll go here. I installed my battery tray in the new fuselage. Okay, did that. And the ESC is installed underneath, connected to that lead. And there's that there, and there's the back side of the motor mount. Yeah. Not quite that close. There we go, back side of the motor mount there, yeah? Yep. Alright then. And let's see if we get it done. Okay, so then, okay, and then we got these two servos installed here. Now these are the rudder and elevator servos. The rudder servo, get that out of the way. Let's see. Yeah, the rudder servo here is fine, and it's actually connected to the rudder, and should be centered, but we'll double check that. Now the elevator servo here is broken. It's stripped. That's why I got the horn off of that control horn. So we're going to replace this elevator servo here. I'm going to order that as soon as I finish making this video. And this one's good. Our receiver is good, and everything is connected to it properly. Focus. There you go. It's hard to see all the inputs, but there's the receiver with everything plugged in correctly. Yes. Okay. Okay, and then coming out from the plane, we have this is our flap, servo, and control arm, if you will. This is our left aileron servo and control arm. And this is our left wingtip light, landing light, and landing light cover. Okay. And then not surprisingly, we've got the same thing set up on the other side here. Oh, whoa! All connected and labeled and stuff. So we got our starboard side wingtip nav light, the landing light and cover, and then the right aileron servo and control rod, and the right flap. And I may have that backwards, which is flap and which is aileron, but I think that's right. So there you go. There's the right hand side of the wing, ready to install all that stuff on the wing when the wing comes. It's ordered, it's coming. And there's the left hand side servos for the left wing, which will be again the lights, aileron, and the flap. Okay. I glued the receiver in again, and you can see that I tidied up the wires pretty good. Let's see. And there's my control rods. They're going into the back. It comes. The new fuse comes with the housings for the control rods, but you use the old control rods and slip them through the housing. So I did that. Okay, that's it. That's where we're at right now. But that's actually a lot. That's actually a lot. We got our motor installed on the new fuselage. We got our wires routed and our ESC also installed, and our battery wire routed. We got our everything plugged back into our receiver correctly, and all the wires routed. Yes, sirree. Out the right for the right wing. Out the left for the left wing. Yes. And these servos are one servo is ready to be replaced, the other one's ready to fly. So there you go. So the next step will be we'll get our canopy, we'll stick that on there. When it's off the back order, we'll get our cowling, stick it on there. Our prop's already paid for and on the way, so we'll put that up here. The horizontal stabilizer is ordered and coming. The decal set is coming. Landing gear, new landing gear is coming. The new wing set is coming. And I do believe that does it, ladies and gents. I do believe that does it. So there you go. Everything's coming. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. I'm going to have a brand spanking new RV-7 again. Now, it's not often in life that you make big mistakes and you get to have a second chance, but with this RV-7, I'm rebuilding her. All I had left was the electronics from the first one. Well, I've replaced everything else by ordering everything else and using the electronics from before, and going to have a brand spanking new Eflite RV-7 once again very soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.